This will be a video tutorial on how to multiply numbers in Microsoft Excel. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Excel here. Okay, I have Excel opened up now and I have created a little chart here. And what I want to do is multiply the numbers in column A by the number in column B, and I want the outcome to be posted down here in column C. And the way to do that, the first thing I want to do is click down here in column C. I'm going to select that top box there. Then I'm going to hit the equal key on my keyboard, the equal key. Now what I want to do is select the first number that I want to multiply. I want to multiply 100 by 10, so I'm going to click on 100. And now down here you can see it says equal A2. The A2 represents column A, row 2, A2. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to hit the asterisk key on my keyboard. The asterisk key should be under the number 8 on your keyboard. There's the asterisk key right there. Now the next thing I'm going to do is click on column B here, number 10. That's the number that I'm multiplying. Now you can see it says B2. The B2 represents column B, row 2. And now the next thing I'm going to do is hit the Enter key on my keyboard, the Enter key. And now you can see right there 1,000. 100 times 10 is 1,000. Now if I want to repeat this formula for each of these rows below it, if I want to add 55 times 5, 15 times 3, 20 times 4, very easy way to do that. I'm going to select this top box up here, my outcome box. I'm going to place my mouse cursor down in the lower right hand corner until it changes to crosshairs, as you can see right here. Now I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to hold it down and I'm going to move my cursor downward to the bottom here. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button now. And it has repeated that formula for each of these rows. 55 times 5 is 275. 15 times 3 is 45. 20 times 4 is 80. 18 times 2 is 36. That is how you multiply numbers in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.